morning, Tiara. Can you hear me clearly?
Good morning, Miss. Yes, I can hear you clearly. Can you hear me too?
Yes, loud and clear. Thank you for joining the interview today. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking, Miss. I'm really excited to have this interview.
Great to hear that. So let's start. Can you tell me about yourself?
Sir, my name is Tiara Padatuljana. I recently graduated with a degree in accounting from Siliwangi University. During my studies, I was involved in student organization and handled several financial reporting projects. I'm passionate about finance, numbers, and continuous learning
Nice. Why did you choose accounting as your major?
because I like working with data and analyzing financial information. I also believe accounting is a very useful skill for any kind of business.
True, every company needs a good accountant. You mentioned you joined organization. What role did you take?
I was the treasurer. I manage the organization budget, record transaction, and made financial report for each event.
That's great experience. What are your main strength or best skill?
I'm detail-oriented and good at time management. I'll always try to finish tasks ahead of deadlines, and I can stay calm under pressure.
Sounds good. So, how do you make sure your work stay accurate when you're under the time pressure?
I usually make a checklist and double-check my work before submitting. I'll also try to stay organized and avoid multitasking too much.
That's a very smart approach. Organization really matters in accounting. Alright, now let's talk about something everyone has. It's a weakness. What would you say is your?
Sometimes I focus too much on perfection, which can slow me down a bit. But I've been learning to balance quality and efficiency.
Okay, how do you usually handle pressure or tight deadlines?
I make a plan to prioritize my tasks. I focus on what's most urgent first and keep calm while working efficiently. Sometimes I also take a short break to refresh my mind.
That's a healthy way to handle pressure. Staying calm really makes a difference. Now let's talk about your future plans. What your career goals or future plans?
My goal is to gain experience in accounting, in finance, and in the future, I hope to become a financial analyst who can help companies make data-based financial decisions.
That's a clear and ambitious goal. I like that. What are the most important thing for you in a workplace?
In value teamwork, communication, and a positive work environment, it helps me stay motivated and productive.
Okay, I agree. A positive atmosphere really boosts performance. But you mentioned teamwork. Can you share an example of a time when teamwork helped you solve a problem?
Sir, during a campus project, my team had different ideas about how to make a financial report. We discussed it openly and divided the tasks based on each person's strengths. In the end, we finished the report successfully and on time.
That's a great example. Sounds like you're a good team player. Uh, If you had to choose, do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I enjoy working as part of a team because it's more dynamic and I can learn from others. But I can also work independently when needed.
Okay, that's nice. What's your hobbies?
I like reading self-improvement books, watching movies, and sometimes I do graphic design in my free time.
Oh, that's interesting. Do you think your creativity helps you in your accounting work?
Yes, definitely. It helped me present data in a more visual and understandable way, especially when making report or presentation online.
Okay, before we end, what salary are you expecting for this position?
I am open to negotiation, but based on my skill and the market rate, I expect around 6 million rupiah per month.
Okay, thank you, Tiara. That's all for today interview. We'll contact you via email soon.
Thank you very much for your time and this opportunity. Have a great day, Miss.